So a full-blown political war that has erupted over the latest Hindenburg report, the BJP stating that this is a conspiracy to destabilize India's economy and the Congress is involved in creating economic anarchy, also saying that the Congress wants India's stock markets to crash and how the toolkit gang doesn't care about India's development. BJP also emphasizing that in Congress's hatred towards PM Modi, the Congress has started to hate the country. Now, while the Congress on its part is saying that the integrity of market regulator SEBI has been gravely compromised after the grave allegations against the SEBI chairperson. Congress also asking if the Supreme Court will look into this matter suo moto once again. Congress also stating it is clear why the PM is so afraid of a joint parliamentary committee probe.
भारत के पूरे स्टॉक मार्केट को क्रैश कराओ, छोटे इन्वेस्टर्स के पूंजी निवेश को समाप्त कराओ, भारत में कोई आर्थिक निवेश न हो विदेश का, एफआईआई और एफडीआई वो सबको रोको, बिकॉज इंडियन इन्वेस्टमेंट सिनेरियो इज नॉट ए सेफ पोजीशन. ये है इनकी सोच.
For our viewers to understand the impact on stock markets, well, that's an angle that has been at the center of this developing story as well. So the BJP has repeatedly said the Congress wanted the stock market to crash, and with India's stock markets witnessing and performing, with marginal gains today, oscillating between marginal gains and marginal losses in trade today, many analysts believe investors have completely shrugged off the Hindenburg report altogether. But for those wondering what really happened, well, fresh allegations from Hindenburg Research this time linked the SEBI chief to the Adani Group, the US-based short seller, and they have alleged that SEBI was unwilling to act on its January 2023 report on the Adani Group because the SEBI chairperson and her husband had investments in offshore funds that had links with the Adani Group. While the SEBI chief and her husband denied these allegations completely, termed them absolutely baseless, said this is an attempted character assassination at large, the Adani Group has also stated the latest allegations by Hindenburg are malicious, mischievous and manipulative. The Adani Group statement titled Hindenburg Report a red herring to the National Stock Exchange also states it is reiterated that our overseas holding structure is fully transparent with all relevant details disclosed regularly in numerous public documents. The Adani Group has absolutely no commercial relationship with individuals or matters mentioned in this calculated, deliberate effort to malign our standing. Remember, the market regulator also released a notification last night urging investors to stay calm based on the new Hindenburg report. And we have seen that the markets today and many analysts believing investors shrugging off those concerns.